Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on inbound marketing. Before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 videos daily on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the definition of inbound marketing. The inbound marketing term was created by Brian Arlington, the CEO and co-founder of HubSpot. Experiences and content that are beneficial and personalized for consumers are created in the inbound marketing method to lure them. Moving on to what is inbound marketing. Personalized content and experiences that match the distinct needs and purchase journey of new consumers are created strategically in the inbound marketing method to lure them in. Unlike outbound marketing, inbound marketing does not interrupt prospective customers with unwanted content. Instead, it tries to come up with solutions to problems they already have by forming connections. Instead of pursuing prospects aggressively through assertive tactics, inbound strategies focus on being found organically. Moving on to inbound versus outbound marketing. First, the approach. In inbound marketing, creating personalized content for prospective consumers who are already searching for answers, looking up your competitors, reading about the industry, and try to make a purchase decision are the key focus. Where on the other hand, using traditional marketing methods like TV ads, print ads, cold calling, email list, add-on billboards, sponsorship for trade show booths, etc. to reach prospective consumers is the approach. Inbound marketing focus is to let potential customers organically find your brand or business. Next, aligning content to consumer needs and creating content that reflects stages and scenarios of purchase process. On the other hand, it is all about aggressively make marketing messages reach potential consumers and to broadcast marketing messages. The goal in case of inbound marketing is to make consumers come to you instead of you reaching out to them so you can turn them, close deals and satisfy them in the future. On the outbound angle, getting leads and responses to encourage potential customers to use your product or service. As far as the type of media is concerned, in inbound, there are 2. First is the owned media. Media whose publication decisions your business controls. Example, company blogs, social media profiles, website, YouTube channel, and landing pages. The other specialty of inbound marketing is the earned media that you get. That is, hard work leads to coverage on such media platforms. Lesser control over coverage though. Offline examples of inbound earned media is magazines and newspapers. Online examples are news sites, social media mentions, hashtag related to campaigns, reviews, and forum discussions. On the other hand, outbound is all about paid media, which consists of paid emails, display advertisements, pay-per-click, social media advertisements, paid promotion on social media, and even offline advertising. Moving on to inbound marketing strategies. These entail first, search engine optimization. Next, authoring print media books, focusing on thought leadership, blogging, opt-in email list offered to clients, public and press relation, influencers outreach, community building so that brands are spoken about, sponsoring and supporting events, and as we stated earlier, earned social media in case of hashtag brand mentions across social media platforms. Moving on to the benefits of inbound marketing. First, creating standard traffic by targeting appropriate customers at the right places. Your digital marketing goals can be met if your inbound marketing strategies focus on targeting appropriate prospects in the correct places. This is in comparison to focusing on consumers who most likely will not use their product or service. Next, building trust. Inbound marketing focuses on providing potential customers with information that may not even know they need in an appealing and innovating way. It does not market unwanted content aggressively. And finally, prevent over-reliance on a single channel. Your dependency on a single channel and the associated risk reduces if you pursue standard traffic from various sources. Other sources include social media referrals, organic searches, referrals to discussions on other websites, etc. Now let's look at inbound marketing examples. Starting with the first one, Tesla. Tesla tries to provide its consumers with the finest of consumer experiences, and that acts as its best selling point, which being optimizing customer experience. Unlike others, there are no retail dealerships of Tesla due to which the tedious negotiations can be avoided. Their website gives consumers every bit of information needed. The price mentioned is non-negotiable. Customers only have to configure their car online, place an order and schedule its pickup. This saves a lot of time and energy and optimizes the customer experience. The next strategy by Tesla is by designing a powerful referral program. Reference from family members or friends is more reliable for customers than any ad or brand promotion. Tesla knows that the most successful form of marketing is word of mouth. Hence, Tesla has encouraged its users from the beginning to share their experiences. They have a very powerful referral program. Next, use the social media influence of your CEO. It is common knowledge that CEO Elon Musk's daring and charming presence online is majorly responsible for Tesla Motors' success. Generally, CEOs hesitate to participate in social media platforms. But in the case of Tesla, Elon Musk's social media presence has impacted the company's success more than its marketing efforts. He has more than 49 million followers, and using the term influencer to describe him is an understatement. Moving on to the fourth strategy used by Tesla is about transparency and honesty. Tesla has always been honest about the issues. Example, Tesla's manufacturing issues leading to delayed deliveries of the pre-ordered Tesla Model 3 were a disappointment to its customers. They started wondering why their Model 3S were at assembly plants even after delivery dates. Elon Musk personally replied to tweets that were posted towards the company, updating them about the situation. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on inbound marketing. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.